15-minute cleaning motivation. Also joining me today is my good friend Anna CM from right here on YouTube. She has a channel, her name is Anna CM. She has 4 wonderful kids. She also do motivation clean and much more. So please go ahead and check her out. And if you do, please let her know that Diana's Life sent you. I'm going to go ahead and leave Anna CM channel on my description down below. So make sure you check out her channel after you watch this one. And don't forget to tell her that I sent you. I like to start by emptying the dishwasher so that way I can get it ready to be loaded again. And now before putting dishes inside the dishwasher, I like to give it a quick rinse. Next, I'm going to go ahead and clean my stove, and I'm using the Method Heavy Degreaser. I haven't used this product in a while, and I was in Target the other day and I decided to grab one. You should try it. It is so good. Like, it takes out the heavy grease from, your stove and things like that. And for my countertops, I'm also using Method. I believe this one is strawberry or something like that. But it smells really good and I love it. Now I'm gonna go ahead and start the dishwasher. Just gonna clear these couple things in here so I can start cleaning the countertop.
Sometimes it really feels like I lose control. Honestly, I can't even find my hole. 'Cause when you see light, I tend to fade. With city lights and you're in space, and I don't think I'm ever gonna get it right. I'm drowning underwater, and you're just making it harder. Need to let you go to find myself. 'Cause I keep on falling, and you're the one watching. Need to let you go to find myself. You are only bringing out the worst in me.
So just doing these pots and pans by hand. I know you saw that I had the grill, Foreman grill or whatever inside my sink, but I had done that before where I wash it, and no, it has not died on me. So just FYI, just in case you're thinking about it.
I'm drowning underwater, and you're just making it harder. like I lose control. Honestly, I can't even find my hole. 'Cause when you see light, I tend to fade. With city lights and you're in space, and I don't think I'm ever gonna get it right. I'm drowning underwater, and you're just making it harder. Need to let you go to find myself. 'Cause I keep on falling, and you're the one watching. Need to let you go to find myself. You are only bringing out the worst in me. Now I really don't know what the best of me is. 'Cause when you see light, I tend to fade. With city lights and you're in space, and I don't think I'm ever gonna get it right. I'm drowning underwater, and you're just making it harder. Need to let you go to find myself. 'Cause I keep on falling, and you're the one watching. Need to let you go to find myself.
I'm just doing a little quick sweep in here of my floors.
I'm drowning underwater. Need to let you go to find myself. 'Cause I keep on falling. Need to let you go to find myself. I'm drowning underwater.
And I'm gonna go ahead and spray Method also in my table and wipe it down. I tend to do this, like I go ahead and wipe down the table and then continue to sweep, because I know that some crowns or something is gonna fall from the table, so I'd rather catch it all at the same time.
'Cause when you see light, I tend to fade. With city lights and you're in space, and I don't think I'm ever gonna get it right. I'm drowning underwater, and you're just making it harder. Need to let you go to find myself.
Oi, oi.
'Cause I keep on falling, and you're the one watching. You are only bringing out the worst in me. Now I really don't know what the best of me is.
This man right here, he is so amazing. He knows me so well. Like, he knows that I have a passion for YouTube, and he knows I love editing and creating content for y'all, and you know, answering your questions and all that good stuff. So he got me this ring light. Now I did need some lighting, so this is awesome. This is gonna come very handy. On top of that, this ring light is supposed to charge your phone at the same time that it's providing you lighting. So I can't wait to give it a try. This is awesome. It brings a carry bag, so that way if you have to go somewhere and take it with you, you can. He will be buying me soon the battery charger, so that way if I am outside and I don't have nowhere to plug it, I can just go ahead and continue filming and all that with the charger. So that is awesome. I can't wait for that. So
Need to let you go to find myself. 'Cause I keep on falling. Need to let you go.
And this gift right here is from my daughter. She has a sweetheart when it comes to giving. She loves giving gifts. She's always been like that since she was younger. And right here, she gave me a massager. First, I thought it was a drill. So it was funny, but then I noticed that it's a massager, and basically you just change the parts to the front of it. And it also has a case to carry it around, which is pretty cool. By the way, happy Mother's Day to all you beautiful ladies out there. If you're watching this in a different day, that is fine. It's still considered happy Mother's Day again, because Mother's Day should be every day, because, we do so much. So, hey.
With city lights and you're in space, and I don't think I'm ever gonna get it right. I'm drowning underwater, and you're just making it harder. Need to let you go to find myself. 'Cause I keep on falling, and you're the one watching. Need to let you go to find myself. You are only bringing out the worst in me. Now I really don't know what the best of me is. 'Cause when you see light, I tend to fade. With city lights and you're in space, and I don't think I'm ever gonna get it right. I'm drowning on.
Alright, so that is it for this video today. If you enjoyed, do not forget to give me a big thumbs up. Also, if you are new here, please consider subscribing. I would love to have you be part of my YouTube family. I can't believe that we have reached 1,000 subscribers. This is amazing. When I saw that countdown and I was at work, I got the goosebumps. Like, it was amazing. So thank you so much. And for all of ya who keep on returning, thank you guys. Ya mean the world to me, and ya know it. I guess I'll check you out in my next video. Peace.
What does perfect even mean?